Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2016 Dodge Dart SXT Sport, stock number B8948X. Only 8,000 miles on this Dart. This was one of our courtesy vehicles for our service department. Clean auto check history report, laser blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The Dart is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Dart's in the compact car class, but has the interior space of a mid-sized car. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and the city average of 33 on the highway. And only 8,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8948X to 66244.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.